Yes, good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, let us start with the unit number 9. Unit number 9, Dr. Courtney's. Yes, previous class I have explained about Dr. Courtney's and his name was Dwarakanath Shantaram Courtney's was born on 10th of October 1910 in Sholapur. Sholapur, where it is, children? It is in Maharashtra. He was a soldier, he was a doctor, children. He was a doctor, and there were a war between China and Japan in 1937. Many Chinese soldiers were injured. Many soldiers were injured. China requested India to send doctors to treat injured soldiers. China has requested Indian doctors to treat injured soldiers. Dr. Courtney was among the 5 doctors. They have requested our doctors, 5 doctors, to come and give a treatment for the China soldiers. Among them, Courtney also was among them one. Remained there, and when the others returned to India, others came back after giving a treatment for China soldiers. But this Courtney, what he has done, he was staying there only. He was giving a treatment for the soldiers, for China people. He has helped lot. He did not again return our India. Dr. Courtney remained there when the other returned to India. He used an ambulance as a mobile clinic to treat the wounded soldiers. Now look here, children. See, Dr. Courtney, he was staying there only to give a treatment for the China soldiers. There were a time when they carried the wounded soldiers on his on his shoulder. See, lots of help he has done to China soldiers. He have done so much of help that soldiers and China people, yet they remember him. Today also, some schools, some companies, some whole China people, they pray for him, they send flowers for him, they send bouquets for him, in his name. Till today, they keep mourning for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You all know that. The President China mourned the death of Courtney by observing that the army has lost helping hand. See, China President, he felt very bad. He felt very sad. Why? Courtney was no more. In small age only, he was no more. He died on 32 years only. In 32 years only, he died in 1942. In 1942, he died on 32 years only. Very small age the doctor was having. Even today, now the President of China mourned the death of Courtney by observing that the army has lost helping hand. The nation has lost a friend. Let us always bear his mind in international spirit. See, China President what is telling? We have to give respect to the day that he has died. We have to do mourning for sake of Courtney because he helped China soldiers lot, children. He served his life in China only. He did not return India. Even today, Dr. Courtney is revived by China's. In April 2005, on the occasion of Easter, Dr. Courtney for all the parts of China, even by school children. The school children also they will send the flowers to his cemetery. The story of his life was subject of Hindi film Dr. Courtney's Ki Amar Kahani. See, they have done the film also in Hindi. Hindi film you have Dr. Courtney's Ki Amar Kahani. They have removed the film of Dr. Courtney's, directed by V. Shantaram, who was a Kannadiga. He was a Karnataka. He lived in Karnataka and he would speak in Kannada. They was born from Kannadigas, means they are born in Karnataka. Any China's top level delighted of to India never misses to honor the family of Dr. Courtney's. See, India people are missing his family to honor Dr. Courtney's. The gratitude of China towards him is highly remarkable. The gratitude of China means he have worked lot for China people. He has helped the China people. So this China people was having very much gratitude to Dr. Courtney's family. And India people, they were missing to honor the family of Dr. Courtney's because he stayed in China. He died in China only. This one also was in China only. His cemetery was in China. They often, whenever his death day is there, all the school children and office of China people who are working in China, president, ministers, all they go visit there and keep the flowers and pray to Dr. Courtney's. Yes or no, children? Yes. Hope you all understood this story. And this story is about Dr. Courtney's. He was a soldier for the China soldier, freedom fighters, army, navy. They struggle for our country. Like that only. The war was between China and Japan in 1931. The China soldiers was injured. They were injured. Lot of China people, their soldiers was injured. So the China president have come and he asked about the help for the doctors. He asked our president, prime minister to give help, to give 5 doctors for a help. Indian people helped and they sent, among them Dr. Courtney's was there. Hope you all understood. He has struggled sake of China people and he has given a treatment for the China soldiers. So every year of this day, they go and they send the people from the schools, from colleges, they go for his cemetery and they pray and come. Hope you all understood, children. Thank you, children.